CIET NCERT presents Audiobook of Mathematics for Class 6. Chapter 1,
Part 2.
Page 8, 1.2.6 Larger Numbers. If we add one more to the greatest 6-digit number, we get the smallest 7-digit number. It is called 10 lakh. Write down the greatest 6-digit number and the smallest 7-digit number. Write the greatest 7-digit number and the smallest 8-digit number. The smallest 8-digit number is called 1 crore. Complete the pattern. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. 999 plus 1 is equal to dash. 9999 plus 1 is equal to dash. 99,999 plus 1 is equal to dash. 9,99,999 plus 1 is equal to dash. 99,99,999 plus 1 is equal to 1 crore. Write down the answers in the blank spaces provided. Remember, 100 is equal to 10 tens. 1,000 is equal to 10 hundreds, is equal to 100 tens. 1 lakh is equal to 100 thousands, which is equal to 1,000 hundreds. 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs, which is equal to 10,000 thousands. Try these. 1. What is 10 minus 1 equal to? 2. What is 100 minus 1 equal to? 3. What is 10,000 minus 1 equal to? 4. What is 1 lakh minus 1 equal to? 5. What is 1 crore minus 1 equal to? Hint: use the said pattern. We come across large numbers in many different situations. For example, while the number of children in your class would be a 2-digit number, the number of children in your school would be a 3 or 4-digit number. The number of people in the nearby town would be much larger. Is it a 5 or 6 or 7-digit number? Do you know the number of people in your state? How many digits would that number have? What would be the number of grains in a sack full of wheat? A 5-digit number, a 6-digit number, or more? Try these. 1. Give 5 examples where the number of things counted would be more than 6-digit number. 2. Starting from the greatest 6-digit number, write the previous 5 numbers in descending order. 3. Starting from the smallest 8-digit number, write the next 5 numbers in ascending order and read them. Page 9. 1.2.7 An aid in reading and writing large numbers. Try reading the following numbers. A. 279453. B. 5035472. C. 152700375. D. 40350894. Was it difficult? Did you find it difficult to keep track? Sometimes it helps to use indicators to read and write large numbers. Shagufta uses indicators which help her to read and write large numbers. Her indicators are also useful in writing the expansion of numbers. For example, she identifies the digits in ones place, tens place, and hundreds place in 257 by writing them under the tables O, T, and H like this. We have a small table with the column headings as H, T, and O. Under H we have 2, under T we have 5, and under O we have 7. Expansion is 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 7 into 1. Similarly, for 2902, the table columns will be TH, 2, H, 9, T, 0, and O, 2. Expansion will be 2 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 2 into 1. One can extend this idea to numbers up to lakh as given in the following table. Let us call them placement boxes. Fill the entries in the blanks left. Next to this we have a table with many columns with headings as number, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones, number name, and expansion. The first number is 734543. 10 lakh column will be empty. In the lakh column we will have 7. In 10,000 we'll have 3. In thousands we'll have 4. In hundreds we will have 5. In tens we will have 4, and in ones we will have 3. The number name will be 7,34,543. Now you do the expansion in the space provided. The next number is 3275829. In the 10 lakh column we will have 3. In the lakh column 2. In 10,000 column 7. 1,000 column 5. Hundreds column 8. Tens column 2. And ones column 9. You write the number name in the blank space provided. The expansion of this number can be written as 3 into 10 lakh plus 2 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9. Similarly, we may include numbers up to crore as given here. We have another table with the column headings as number, 10 crore, crore, 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, ones, and the number name. The number is 257,34543. 10 crore column will be empty. In the crore column we will have 2. In 10 lakh column 5. In lakh column 7. 10,000 column 3. Thousands column 4. Hundreds column 5. Tens column 4. And ones column 3. Write down the number name in the blank space provided. Next number is 653275,829. In the 10 crore column we will have 6. In the crore column 5. In 10 lakh column 3. In lakh column 2. In 10,000 column 7. In thousand column 5. In hundreds column 8. In tens column 2. And in ones column 9. The number name will be 65,32,75,829. You can make other formats of tables for writing the numbers in expanded form. Page 10. Use of commas. You must have noticed that in writing large numbers in the sections above, we have often used commas. Commas help us in reading and writing large numbers. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then lakhs and crores. Commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs, and crores. The first comma comes after hundreds place, that is, 3 digits from the right, and marks thousands. The second comma comes 2 digits later, that is, 5 digits from the right. It comes after 10,000's place and marks lakh. The third comma comes after another 2 digits, that is, 7 digits from the right. It comes after 10 lakh place and marks crore. For example, 5,08, 01, 592. 3,32, 40, 781. 7,27, 05, 062. Try reading these numbers. Write 5 more numbers in this form and read them. While writing number names, we do not use commas. International System of Numeration. In the International System of Numeration, as it is being used, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then millions. 1 million is 1,000 thousands. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions. It comes after every 3 digits from the right. The first comma marks thousands and the next comma marks millions. For example, the number 50,801, 592 is read in the International System as 50,801,592. In the Indian system, it is 5,08,01,592. How many lakhs make a million? How many millions make a crore? Take 3 large numbers, express them in both Indian and international numeration systems. Interesting fact: to express numbers larger than a million, a billion is used in the International System of Numeration. 1 billion is equal to 1,000 million. Page 11. Do you know? India's population increased by about 27 million during 1921 to 1931, 37 million during 1931 to 1941, 44 million during 1941 to 1951, 78 million during 1951 to 1961. How much was the increase in population during 1991 to 2001? Try to find out. Do you know what is India's population today? Try to find this too. Try these. 1. Read these numbers. Write them using placement boxes and then write their expanded forms. 1. 475320. 2. 9847215. 3. 97645310. 4. 30458094. A. Which is the smallest number? B. Which is the greatest number? C. Arrange these numbers in ascending and descending orders. 2. Read these numbers. 1. 527864. 2. 95432. 3. 18950049. 4. 70002509. A. Write these numbers using placement boxes and then using commas in Indian as well as International System of Numeration. B. Arrange these in ascending and descending order. 3. Take 3 more groups of large numbers and do the exercise given above. Can you help me write the numeral? To write the numeral for a number, you can follow the boxes again. A. 42,70,008. B. 2,90,55,800. C. 7,60,055. Try these. 1. You have the following digits: 4, 5, 6, 0, 7, and 8. Using them, make 5 numbers each with 6 digits. A. Put commas for easy reading. B. Arrange them in ascending and descending order. 2. Take the digits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Make any 3 numbers each with 8 digits. Put commas for easy reading. 3. From the digits 3, 0, and 4, make 5 numbers each with 6 digits. Use commas. Page 12. Exercise 1.1. 1. Fill in the blanks. A. 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. B. 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. C. 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakh. D. 1 crore is equal to dash million. E. 1 million is equal to dash lakh. 2. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. A. 73,75,307. B. 9,05,41,000. C. 7,52,21,302. D. 58,423,202. E. 23,30,010. 3. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. A. 87595762. B. 8546283. C. 999,00046. D. 98432701. 4. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to International System of Numeration. A. 78921092. B. 7452283. C. 999,85102. D. 480,49831. 1.3. Large numbers in practice. In earlier classes, we have learnt that we use centimeter as a unit of length. For measuring the length of a pencil, the width of a book or notebooks, etc., we use centimeters. Our ruler has marks on each centimeter. For measuring the thickness of a pencil, however, we find centimeter too big. We use millimeter to show the thickness of a pencil. A. 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. To measure the length of the classroom or the school building, we shall find centimeter too small. We use meter for the purpose. B. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, which is equal to 1000 millimeters. Even meter is too small. when we have to state distances between cities, say Delhi and Mumbai or Chennai and Kolkata. For this we need kilometers. Page 13. C. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. How many millimeters make 1 kilometer? Since 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeters, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters, which is equal to 1000 into 1000 millimeters, which is equal to 10 lakh millimeters. We go to the market to buy rice or wheat. We buy it in kilograms. But items like ginger or chilies, which we do not need in large quantities, we buy in grams. We know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Have you noticed the weight of the medicine tablets given to the sick? It is very small. It is in milligrams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. What is the capacity of a bucket for holding water? It is usually 20 liters. Capacity is given in liters, but sometimes we need a smaller unit, the millimeters. A bottle of hair oil, a cleaning liquid, or a soft drink have labels which give the quantity of liquid inside in milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Note that in all these units we have some words common like kilo, milli and centi. You should remember that among these, kilo is the greatest and milli is the smallest. Kilo shows 1000 times greater. Milli shows 1000 times smaller, that is, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Similarly, centi shows 100 times smaller, that is, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Try these. 1. How many milligrams make 1 kilogram? 2. A box contains 2 lakh medicine tablets, each weighing 20 milligrams. What is the total weight of all the tablets in the box in grams and in kilograms? Try these. 1. A bus started its journey and reached different places with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. The journey has been given on page 14. 1. Find the total distance covered by the bus from A to D. 2. Find the total distance covered by the bus from D to G. 3. Find the total distance covered by the bus if it starts from A and returns back to A. 4. Can you find the difference of distances from C to D and D to E? Page 14. 5. Find out the time taken by the bus to reach A to B, B, C to D, C, E to G, D, total journey. Next to the question we have the diagram of the bus along with the total journey it made from point A to B to C to D to E to F to G and then back to A. The distances between the different points are mentioned there. 2. Raman's shop. We have a table with column 1 as things, column 2 as price. Apples, rupees 40 per kilogram. Oranges, rupees 30 per kilogram. Combs, rupees 3 for 1. Toothbrushes, rupees 10 for 1. Pencils, rupee 1 for 1. Notebooks, rupees 6 for 1. Soap cakes, rupees 8 for 1. The sales during the last year. Apples, 2,457 kilograms. Oranges, 3,004 kilograms. Combs, 22,760. Toothbrushes, 25,367. Pencils, 38,530. Notebooks, 40,002. Soap cakes, 20,005. A. Can you find the total weight of apples and oranges Raman sold last year? Weight of apples is equal to dash kilograms. Weight of oranges is equal to dash kilograms. Therefore, total weight is equal to dash kilograms plus dash kilograms, which is equal to dash kilograms. Answer. The total weight of oranges and apples is equal to dash kilograms. B. Can you find the total money Raman got by selling apples? C. Can you find the total money Raman got by selling apples and oranges together? D. Make a table showing how much money Raman received from selling each item. Arrange the entries of amount of money received in descending order. Find the item which brought him the highest amount. You were just listening to the audiobook Mathematics for Class 6. Narrator Gaurav Marva. Assistance in production Soumya Malik. Producer Vimlesh Chaudhary. Presented by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.